This is a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, a leather dash, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, a theft recovery system, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Ford of Mansfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1515 West 4th Street in Mansfield.